All right, guys. So I just bought this RealSmart infrared space heater. First of all, wanted to show you for reference the size, but before I get into the features of why I bought this, I wanted to cover the reason I was looking for a space heater. Why did I pick this one? Well, I will tell you I like the ambiance effect, which I'm going to show you in a second. This is not just a space heater, it looks cool and it adds a vibe to your room. Even if you're just in a little room, I mean, this adds like a fireplace kind of cozy vibe. But tons of people are buying this right now and they're leaving really good reviews. So when they buy it, they're pleased with it. They're not returning it. They're happy. They feel like it works really well and it does exactly what they want. It's also an incredible value. If you look at the number on the product page, you're not going to find a value like this, especially when you're getting the aesthetic vibe. I mean, there's space heaters out there, but they really honestly look like trash. They don't look cool. There's no ambiance to it. This one is extreme ambiance. So I love that tons of people are buying it and then tons of people are giving really positive reviews. Here's the unit itself. This is where you're going to see the temperature change. And I want to show you the remote and then we're going to just run through it real quick. So it's very easy to use. Just hit the power button. All right. So it is on. Now we can adjust the light, the brightness right here. I have to point it directly at it to get that brightness down. Okay. So you can see it's dimming down, off, and now it's on. I like it at the highest setting just because it's a vibe. Look how good of a vibe that is. Here's the infrared right up here. And I mean, dude, I'm going to be honest with you, dude. I feel the heat. I mean, the heat's already going. You can dial it all the way up to 90, and you can dial it all the way down. Let's see how low it goes. I forget. I want to say 70, but how low does it go? How low can you go? How low can you go? Okay. Yeah, so you can dial this all the way down to 50. So this thing's extremely easy to use. You can even set a timer. Like you just want it on for a few minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever. You know, maybe like you're using it when you're falling asleep and you want to make sure it's not on while you're sleeping or on too long or something like that. But like, dude, straight up, that's such a vibe. This thing's amazing. I'm so happy I got it. I'm in Phoenix, dude. I don't get a fireplace. This is my fireplace, dude. And this is sweet. Highly recommend.